Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making beef pot pie in the Ninja Foodi. Alright guys, I'm starting out in my Ninja Foodi now. I have it set on sear saute medium high, guys. You don't want to go for high for this one, do medium high. And guys, Dexter's in there just chatting away. I'm going to add some olive oil in my Ninja Foodi. Just enough to put an even coat on the bottom, about 3 tablespoons. Now I have here, I have 1 large carrot, 1 onion, and 1 stalk of celery I diced up. We're going to get them in there. We're going to saute them for about 5 minutes until they start to soften up. Alright guys, now that my vegetables have sauteed for about 5 minutes, I have some steak here. You can use any kind of beef. I cut up into little cubes. This is probably about 2 pounds, 2.5 pounds. I'm going to get that in there. I'm going to saute that for another 5 minutes to brown that beef up. And guys, Dexter's really going nuts in there. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Alright guys, now that my beef is browned up, you're not going to get it nice and golden brown like if you were browning up a roast in here or something, because the vegetables are putting off liquid as the beef is. You just want it browned. I'm going to add in my seasonings. I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of dry thyme. I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of black pepper, and I'm just eyeballing, guys. I'm going to add in some onion powder, about a half a teaspoon, and about a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. You can add in any seasonings you like. These are just the ones I'm using. Now I have 2 russet potatoes that I diced up. I left the skins on. You can peel them if you like. It doesn't hurt. Just wash them and leave the skins on. I'm going to get them down in there. Okay, now I have some beef broth here. You want to put 2 cups in. This is a 4-cup container, so I'm just going to judge this. You can use a measuring cup if you like. Let me just get this open. Alright. Go ahead and add your beef broth in. A little more. Okay, that's about 2 cups. I'm just going to give this a stir to get it all mixed together. Okay, now I'm going to put my pressure cooker lid on here. Make sure we're set on a seal setting. I'm going to cancel the sear saute. Now I'm going to cook this on high pressure for 10 minutes. After my 10 minutes are up, I'll do a quick release of the pressure. Alright guys, now that my 10 minutes are up and I did that quick release of the pressure, I'm going to turn this on the sear saute. We're going to bring this up to a gentle boil because we're going to thicken this up now. And I'm just giving it a quick stir to get my spices down there. And you see how good that's looking already, guys. Now I have a cornstarch slurry here I mixed up. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit in there. And I probably made more than I need, but that's alright. Cornstarch costs next to nothing, so it's no big deal. And I think that's going to be fine. I'll watch for a minute. And I also have a half a cup of frozen peas I thawed out in the microwave. We're going to dump them in. And for people who don't like peas, you could add corn in here if you like. That would be fine. I'm going to allow this to come up to a gentle boil and thicken up here for a minute, guys. Okay guys, and that thickened up nice, and I turned off the sear saute. I have a ready-use pie crust from the store. I'm just going to unroll this, and we're going to put this down over top of our beef mixture. Just want to get it all unrolled, guys. And I'm going to lay it down in here. Now be careful when you do this so you don't put your hand down in the pot in the soup, because then you'll burn yourself. Okay guys, and I'm going to take my spoon and just push the edges down a little bit. Alright, now I'm going to close my air fryer lid down, turn my power on. I'm going to push the broil setting, and we're going to set this to broil for 10 minutes. That'll allow that crust to get nice and golden brown. And when that's done cooking, guys, I'm going to let it rest for 5 minutes before we serve it up. Alright guys, this is done. I plated it up. Now the center of it rose up and got a little burnt, so I would probably check it after like 6 or 7 minutes, see how it's doing. I took it for granted that the 10 minutes would be fine. But it still looks pretty good, guys. Let me get in here and give this a try. Try a little bit of that crust with that filling. That's really good, guys. You can see my crust is nice and crunchy. Next time I'd probably cut the salt back to 1 teaspoon. It's a little salty. I don't mind it, but most people probably would. The beef is tender. The vegetables are tender. It's a good savory flavor in that gravy. Alright, there you have it, guys. Beef pot pie and a Ninja Foodi. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you.